Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by confirming the source and preventing more water. Turn off the shut-off valves under the sink and open the faucet to drain lines. Once done, remove any items from under the sink and position a bucket and towels to catch residual water. Make sure you have an adjustable wrench, pliers, plumber's tape, a replacement washer or slip joint nut, and a flashlight. These let you access fasteners and inspect seals without interruption. You will now remove the P-trap carefully. Loosen the slip nuts with pliers or by hand, tipping the trap into the bucket to avoid spills. Once empty, inspect the trap, washers, and O-rings for hair, mineral buildup, cracks, or compressed seals that cause leaks. Clean all parts with a brush and vinegar if mineral scale is present, and fit new washers or O-rings where needed. Reseat connections snugly but avoid over-tightening, which can deform plastic. You reassemble the trap by aligning the fittings and tightening slip nuts finger tight plus a small additional quarter turn. This balances seal and stress. Once done, turn the shutoff valves back on slowly and observe each joint for drips while someone runs the faucet to create pressure. If you still see a leak, make sure connections are clean, apply plumber's tape to threaded joints, or replace the faulty section. If persistent, call a professional. Sometimes a hidden crack.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.